How to update your emergency plug. Go to totalsafetysolutions.nl. Go to My Login. If you don't have an account yet, create one by clicking the Create button. Fill in the details and then click on the Register button at the bottom. Your login details will appear on the screen. Return to the login screen and log in with your login details. Connect the USB to the emergency plug. Select the Connect button. Please fill in some more details and click the Continue button. Now choose which update you want. Software versions that ensure your emergency plug is always up to date with the latest vehicles on the road are always free of charge. If you choose the free update, it will start installing immediately. When you see the green confirmation, the emergency plug is up to date. You can also choose updates for additional features, such as the new H3 update. This update ensures the emergency plug provides an early warning when a vehicle intervenes due to excessive battery temperature, increasing the risk of overheating of the battery pack. If you want to use the new feature, enter your payment details and the update will start loading. The green confirmation will appear here as well, indicating that your emergency plug is now equipped with the latest functionality. You can unplug the USB. Your emergency plug is up to date and ready to use. More questions about an update? Please send an email to service@totalsafetysolutions.nl or sales@totalsafetysolutions.nl. Thank you for watching and keep safe.